So an EF3 tornado came through on the night of March 31st, 2023. Clearing trails has been a long process. We've had our own crews out most of the season last year clearing Trail 5. We've had this winter and this early spring, we've had saw crews from other parks come out to finish up the other trails for us, and they have made a lot of progress. There's tons of fun activities to do at McCormick's Creek State Park. You have access to the falls. You can climb the fire tower. You can spend some time at our wonderful nature center. You can stay at Canyon Inn, and you can picnic, play tennis, play basketball. There's still a lot to do. We'd love to have you out this spring.